everyone, Amanda here with Moses and Me Card Company. I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos. I'm doing appallingly poorly on my card kits this year, and nevertheless, it's coming time for Christmas, and I always love to make Christmas cards. So I received the Simon Says Stamp limited edition religious card kit called First Night, and of course I'd like to create some cards out of that kit. But first, let's take a look and see what we get in the kit. So we get a sheet of the metallic gold cardstock. This is actually matte gold, I'm sorry. This is from Simon Says Stamp. We get some Nina 80-pound white, we get some peacock, and we get some soft navy. And then we also get some pattern papers. This is from the Crafter's Companion collection called Bethlehem. And they've got some really pretty papers here that kind of showcase kind of the manger and Bethlehem scenes. It's really pretty colored. So a lot of navies and golds. It's real nice color palette. I'm going to have a hard time, I can already tell you, choosing between some of the sides of those. We also get some envelopes. So we get a soft navy slimline. I get a gold envelope. This also is a metallic color, and a white envelope. We get some glitter tape from American Crafts. This is their washi tape, which is very pretty. Kind of looks like a ribbon almost. Look forward to using that. We get some Simon Says Stamp low tack tape. There is a Sakura gold pin. We get some like shimmery white tags. We also get some white tags. Just some gift tags. There are some dies in it. This is the this is the Twinkle Star die, which is real pretty. It's got like a little snowflake in the middle of it. We also get the Angelic die, which is just a head. I did order the stamp set that I think that coordinates with, so I can have a body for my angel. We also get the Autumn Sky Sequin Mix from Simon Says Stamp, which is a real pretty mix. There is an embossing folder. This is called All Star Burst 3D embossing folder, so that's real pretty. We get a glue stick from Simon. We get some of the Distress Mica spray from Tim Holtz from Ranger, and this is in the tarnished brass color. So we'll have to get that out and play with it. I have a whole bunch of those and I've yet to play with any of them. So maybe this year will be the year. And then we also get a stencil. This is, let's see here, the Holy Stars stencil. Get that out and play with it as well. Try to use all of these projects at least once. And then lastly, of course, we get the stamp set, which is called First Night, and it builds this beautiful Bethlehem scene. It also has a lot of really nice sentiments on it for Christmas. So there you have it. Let's see what cards we can create using this kit. Look forward to seeing. Alright, here are the 7 cards we created using this card kit, starting off with the stencil. I did this stencil immediately when I received the kit because I'm really bad about not using the stencils, and I always like stencils, but then because the stuff takes so long to dry, I never actually incorporate them in my cards. So I went ahead and got out some Glitz glitter gel that I had from Simon. This is their gold color. I don't remember what it's called, and I don't see it online, so I'm not sure if they still make them or what. But anyway, so I did that on the the soft navy that comes in the kit. And then I grabbed one of the tags that we got in the kit and stamped. This is from Words of Faith Christmas. I stamped that on the tag and just heat embossed it with some gold. Used some Love from Lizzie peel-offs and some vellum just to kind of tone that down a little bit. And there you have card number 1. So a lot of sparkle or shine, all that gold there. I like that. I thought that was pretty. For card number 2, I brought in some more of the pattern paper from the card kit, and then of course the tape that we got in the card kit is on the sides here. This is the star die that we got, and then this is one of the sentiments from the stamp set that says "Rejoice in the glory and wonder of the Christ child." I thought that was kind of a pretty card. It's kind of a more simple card. I did pop this up on some fun foam, so it's got a little bit of dimension there, that little blue strip right there. And there you have card number 2. For card number 3, I brought in some of the gold cardstock that we got in the kit, and again the star die that we received. And I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. I always struggle when I use embossing folders or like stencils. I don't ever know what to do with the card after that, since you kind of want to showcase that. So I just took the star die that we got. This is some indigo cardstock, which is a nice dark navy blue color, and some red cardstock that I had in my stash, and I stamped from this Tiny Words Christmas from Simon Says Stamp on some red cardstock and just white heat embossed that. And then I just put some red gems that I had from Spellbinders, and I also had a sparkly heart from a Buttons Galore mix that I have. And there you have card number 3. It kind of looks a little bit like the 4th of July to me, but I think obviously it's a Christmas card, but just maybe the stars and the red, white, and blue that I have going on. But in any case, next I wanted to use that beautiful angel die that we had. And again, this is some pattern paper that we have in the card kit. This is that tape that we got in the kit. And this is the soft navy that we got in the kit. And I just heat embossed that from one of the sentiments in the stamp set. I took our gold specialty cardstock and cut out, this is a burst die that I have from Simon Says Stamp. And that kind of just made a nice little backer for her. And then she is mounted on some vellum so that she just kind of tones down the background just a little bit. And there you have card number 4. I'm never really sure what to do when I just get heads of things, like no bodies. They kind of are a little bit of a challenge for me, but I think that looks okay. So there we have the first 4 cards, trying to kind of use everything that we got in the kit. Starting with card number 5, I start to bring in a little bit of stuff that I have in my stash. So this down here is the Hill stamp that we have. And then this is some more of the pattern paper. These stickers are from Hobby Lobby. These come from, let's see here, what is this thing called? They sell them all year. Well, I don't know if they sell them all year, but they always seem to have these when I'm there. And I, of course, enjoy stickers. See if I can find it. Ah, yeah. So here's the rest of them. So they're just paper craft stickers. Oh, Holy Night 3D stickers. I used them last year, and I'm just trying to get use them up. Just to get them out of my craft room. But I always think they look kind of nice on these little holiday cards. And I pulled in one of my Wiseman sentiments from this Joy Clear stamp set. This is called the 3 Wisemen. And it just says, Wiseman still seek him. I heat embossed that with some gold on the back of this pattern paper. And then I put some gold gems that I have from Spellbinders around the Wiseman and Mary and Joseph. And there you have card number 5. For card number 6, let's see here. Alright, for card number 6, I brought in more of the stamp set. So this is more silhouette stamping from the stamp set. Here's the Joseph and Mary with the manger scene. This is some more of the pattern paper, and just pulled in some more Love from Lizzie peel off, some more vellum just to kind of tone down the background. And then I used the inside of one of these star dies to put that there so that the Holy Star is hanging above the manger still. And then this is a Rejoice die. This is from Simon Says Stamp. This is the one that I have in my stash that I use a lot. I don't know what I've done with it though. I'll see if I can find it real quick. But this other sentiment is another sentiment from Tailored Expressions. This is in her Rejoice stamp set, and then it just says The Wonder of Christmas. I just think that's kind of pretty. It's kind of a nice sentiment. A nice sentiment for Christmas. And then of course here's my Rejoice die that I have from Simon Says Stamp. I just thought that turned out really pretty. I love the pattern paper, and just like the pattern papers were so easy, and the stamp set was very easy because it's mainly a silhouette stamp set, so there's not like a whole lot of coloring or anything like that that you have to do with it. Alright, and then card number 7 is another silhouette. So this is more pattern paper that I got from the kit. This is just a silhouette stamp in black. I use my VersaFine ink. And then again, that Wonder of Christmas is from the Rejoice stamp set from Tailored Expressions. This is the star. This is one of the insides of the die that we got in the kit. And I pulled in a Hope die. This is new to me this year. This is Hope from My Favorite Things. I just really liked the font of that. I used the gold cardstock that we got in the kit to cut that out. And there you have it. There are our 7 cards, 1 kit for the Simon Says Stamp 2022 religious card kit that is called First Night. So there is my first card kit I received this year. I have a few more that I'm going to work through, but I did want to get them out there so that you could see what I did. And I did want to wish everybody a Happy New Year, and I look forward to doing the next kit. Look forward to talking to you guys really soon. Thanks so much. Chat at you guys later.